Did you know that Tesla's AI is so advanced that it can learn and adapt to new tasks on the fly, making robots like Optimus potentially capable of performing 1,000 different jobs? This is exactly what Elon Musk is claiming with the introduction of the Tesla Bot Gen 2 Optimus, a robot that can allegedly perform over 1,000 tasks and is priced at just $20,000. The implications of such technology are massive, and we're going to dive deep into what this means for the future of robotics and automation. With a robot like Optimus, we're not just talking about a machine that can do a few repetitive tasks. We're talking about a machine that can think, learn, and adapt to new situations. Elon Musk's vision is to make robots that can augment human capability, not replace it. This is a game changer. Imagine having a robot that can assist you with almost any task, from cooking to cleaning, to even helping you with your daily routine. The possibilities are endless. And with a price point of just $20,000, this technology is not just limited to corporations or governments, but can be accessible to individuals and small businesses as well. Musk's claims have sparked a lot of interest and debate in the tech community, with many experts questioning the feasibility of such a robot. Can a machine really learn to do 1,000 different tasks? Is this just another example of Elon Musk's hype machine? Or is there some real substance behind this claim? We'll get into all of this and more in this video. The potential impact of the Tesla Bot Gen 2 Optimus cannot be overstated. If this technology is real, we're talking about a fundamental shift in the way we live and work. It's not just about having a cool gadget or a fancy machine. It's about having a tool that can genuinely improve our lives. There are many reasons to be skeptical about the Tesla Bot Gen 2 Optimus. Firstly, we've seen robots that can perform impressive tasks before, but when it comes to real-world application, they often fall short. Secondly, even if the technology is real, can we really trust a machine to learn and adapt to new tasks on the fly? What about safety concerns? What about job displacement? These are all valid questions that need to be addressed. Musk's track record of over-promising and under-delivering is also a reason to be cautious. We've seen it with the Cybertruck. We've seen it with the full self-driving FSD system. Is the Tesla Bot Gen 2 Optimus just another example of this? Or is this a genuine breakthrough in robotics? Another issue is the sheer complexity of building a robot that can perform 1,000 different tasks. This is not just about programming a machine to do a few tasks. This is about creating a machine that can learn, adapt, and think like a human. This is an incredibly difficult problem to solve. Many experts are saying that the Tesla Bot Gen 2 Optimus is more of a concept than a reality. That it's a PR stunt to get people excited about robotics and artificial intelligence. But what if it's more than that? What if this is a genuine attempt to push the boundaries of what's possible with robotics? The implications of a robot like Optimus are massive. We're not just talking about automation, we're talking about augmentation. We're talking about giving humans the ability to do more, to be more productive, to be more efficient. If the Tesla Bot Gen 2 Optimus is real, it could revolutionize industries from healthcare to manufacturing. It could change the way we live and work. It could give people the ability to pursue their passions, rather than just doing mundane tasks. But there are also concerns about job displacement. If a robot can do 1,000 different tasks, what happens to the humans who currently do those tasks? Do we need to rethink the way we approach work and education? These are all questions that need to be addressed. The technology behind the Tesla Bot Gen 2 Optimus is also worth exploring. Musk has said that the robot uses advanced AI algorithms to learn and adapt to new tasks. This is not just about programming a machine. This is about creating a machine that can think and learn like a human. The design of the robot is also impressive. It's sleek, it's modern, it's futuristic. This is a robot that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. But what about the functionality? What about the usability? These are all important questions that need to be answered. Musk has also said that the Tesla Bot Gen 2 Optimus is designed to be modular, to be easily upgradable. This means that as new technologies emerge, the robot can be upgraded to take advantage of them. This is a robot that's designed to be future-proof. The potential applications of the Tesla Bot Gen 2 Optimus are endless. It could be used in healthcare to assist with surgeries. It could be used in manufacturing to increase efficiency. It could be used in education to help students learn. The possibilities are endless, and it's exciting to think about the potential impact of this technology. One of the most exciting aspects of the Tesla Bot Gen 2 Optimus is the demonstration that Musk has promised. He said that he's going to show off the robot's capabilities in a live demo. This could be a game changer. If Musk can deliver on his claims, this could be a momentous occasion. Imagine seeing a robot that can perform 1,000 different tasks, a robot that can think and learn like a human. This could be a turning point in the history of robotics. Musk's statement about the robot's capabilities has also sparked a lot of interest in the tech community. Many experts are saying that this is a bold claim, but if it's true, it could change everything. The demonstration could also answer a lot of the questions that people have about the robot. We could finally see the Tesla Bot Gen 2 Optimus in action. We could finally see what it's capable of. Musk's track record of delivering on his promises is also an important factor to consider. He's delivered on some of his biggest claims, such as the development of the Falcon 9 rocket. Could he do it again with the Tesla Bot Gen 2 Optimus? In conclusion, the Tesla Bot Gen 2 Optimus is a game changer. Whether or not it lives up to Musk's claims, it sparked a lot of interest and debate in the tech community. It's got people thinking about the potential of robotics and artificial intelligence. The potential impact of this technology cannot be overstated. We're talking about a fundamental shift in the way we live and work. We're talking about giving humans the ability to do more, to be more productive, to be more efficient. At just $20,000, this technology is not just limited to corporations or governments, but can be accessible to individuals and small businesses as well. This is a game changer, and we're excited to see where it goes. What do you think about the Tesla Bot Gen 2 Optimus? Do you think it's a game changer, or is it just another example of Elon Musk's hype machine? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends and insights in technology, be sure to subscribe to our channel.